Calm your hormones, it's a fucking cartoon. Konnichiwa, my viewers. This week is Stereo What Types Week on my gaydar. And no, I think that's totally kakui. So, like, I'm the biggest anime fan ever. I watch, like, anime all the time, and I like shoujo and Fruits Basket, and it's super kawaii desu ne, and yeah. And, you know, a lot of the kids at school make fun of me for watching anime, but I think it's just because I'm so kakui desu, because they're jealous that I know so much about anime and Japanese culture, and they don't. My mom told me that it's okay if I fangirl because she knows that I'm super kawaii desu ne, and they're all just jealous because I'm so kakui. I really wish I was part Neko too, because I asked my mom if I could get a Neko kitty ears and tail, but she said that was weird, but I told her that's because, you know, I'm just so kakui, and those Neko ears would look so kawaii on me. Wouldn't that be an amazing idea, Desu? Desu! And, you know, there are a lot of guys and girls out there who say that they're true anime fans, but they're not. Nope. Because, you know, I've seen every anime ever, and I can tell you which ones are good and bad. Because, you know, I'm just the greatest anime fan ever, and I know more than anyone else because I'm a true anime fan desu. Because, you know, only true fans would actually cosplay every day, and I wear my Neko ears to school every day, even though my mom tells me it's weird, but it's not because they look super kawaii on me desu. And this year, me and my best friend went dressed as Naruto and Sasuke, and we went as a couple desu, and we were super kawaii, and everyone was jealous desu. And I don't know if you watch it, but I also watch Junjo Romantica and Sekaiichi Hatsukoi, and they're uber super kawaii desu ne, and you should watch them because yaoi is forever amazing, yes, desu. And I'm spending all my allowance money on cosplays and anime contacts so then I can make my eyes look just like Lelouch's from Code Geass. And I'll walk around school with one Geass eye, and I'll look in people's eyes and I'll say, do my bidding. And they'll do my bidding because I have Geass and everyone knows that anime is real desu. My friend and I cosplay as Naruto and Sasuke on our DeviantArt. We do lots of cosplay yaoi photos and we offer lots of fan service. And you should check us out on DeviantArt. Desu. And I think that they should get rid of all the female characters in animes so then all the boys can get together and then we can have a Shonen Ai Fest and they'll give us fan service and yaoi, and I think that would be super kawaii desu ne. Me and my friend, we also do an Oran cosplay, and we ship Hikaru and Kaoru because Twincest is oh so yummy. And yeah, and I'm Kaoru because I think he's the sensitive one, because Hikaru is obviously the seme forever and Kaoru is the ook. So yeah, you should check us out on DeviantArt desu. I have a lot of favorite pairings. Every anime I watch, there's always one couple, because I can't watch an anime unless there's some kind of yaoi pairing in it. Yeah, I have a lot of favorite yaoi pairings, but my favorites are Ed and Envy, and Usagi and Misaki, and Elle and Light, and Hikaru and Kaoru, and Edward and Alphonse, and my uber favorite is Riku and Sora because it's obvious that they're made for each other. I think they just added Kairi because she's there to make Sora look straight even though all us fangirls know he isn't desu. Because, you know, it's obvious Disney wanted to take that part out and Nomura Sensei said that he wanted it in, but he made them take it out because Disney doesn't like gay people. Desu. I really hate doing that voice, it really hurts my throat. I know, I'm a fan of anime too, but I don't run around bragging about it. You don't run in people's faces and go, everything is so super kawaii desu ne. And oh my gosh, if you're going to fangirl, at least do it respectively. You don't need to like run around advertising the fact that you're so uber into some kind of yaoi pairing or whatever. Because everybody knows that Yuri and Shoujo Ai is better than yaoi. And I know, I shouldn't be talking about the whole fangirl thing. I have my moments. I mean, I'm pretty bad with all my comics here. And as you can see by the hat, and I don't know if you can see my t-shirt, but I'm not one of those people who can just run around advertising the fact that I'm this uber yaoi fan, or I'm so uber obsessed with the Nightwing x Flash pairing. And another thing, please stop with the yaoi pairings. It's not cute anymore, it's starting to get really annoying. Adding Desu to the end of every sentence doesn't make it cute. It makes you sound like a total just idiot. And saying kawaii in random sentences or kakui to describe yourself also is not cute. It's unattractive and annoying. And that's not me ripping on anime fans. I'm an anime myself and I'm kind of, you know, it's kind of weird for me to rip on other fans, but I mean I'm one of those girls who I fangirl silently. I could be I'm a huge fan of Nightwing. I'm not gonna run around strutting it to everyone I meet. I'm not gonna walk up to everyone and go, aren't you such an uber fan of Flash and Nightwing together? No. I can have an educated conversation with someone about that, like, oh, I liked that new issue of Nightwing. I mean, come on, guys. And I get it. You like the pairing you like. That's cool. Do what you please with that, but just please stop flooding my deviations inbox with pictures of you and your girlfriend or boyfriend making out. I don't want to see that. Digital media or traditional media fan art is one thing. A picture is another. And if you're gonna cosplay, at least be good, please. And like I said, that's not me saying I don't fangirl. Like I said, my comments here. Uber fangirl. I mean, I go nuts when I hear the Batman song, or I see Young Justice on TV, I'll flip out. Or if I hear someone say Nightwing, I'll go, did you just say Nightwing? But, I don't know. It's okay to like what you like. Just be respectful, please. I cannot stress enough that not everyone is interested in the same things you are. Just strutting around the fact that you're this super yaoi fan isn't gonna make you friends. You're gonna get a lot of dirty looks. And half the time, people don't even know what the hell you're talking about. They don't know what an uke is, they don't know what a seme is, they don't know what yaoi, yuri, hentai, shonenai, shoujoi, ecchi, seiken. They don't know what all that is, so don't expect people to know what the hell you're talking about. And after all that ripping, I'm gonna have to kind of rip on myself for a little bit here. I'll be the first to admit, I'm a sucker for a shonenai. Deal with it. I watched Sekaiichi, it's kind of cute. There are some parts I really do have to skip though, because my little heart can't take it. But I'm a fan of Yuri, fan of shoujoi, I don't strut that. I really don't. Right, what are we talking about? Stereotypes, that's right. But just because someone's an anime fan doesn't mean that's exactly who they are. Like, the quietest person you know could be an anime fan. They don't strut that. Or the jock at school, or I don't know. But you can't just automatically assume when someone says they like anime, they're this uber kawaii kind of person, you know what I mean? I, for one, am a shonen kind of girl. I like action. You know, fighting, get the girl in the end, big battles, mechas, stuff like that. I like action. But yeah, so pretty much the moral of the story is you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. And I know everyone says that, but, well, it's kind of true. Or I'll think of a better one. You can't judge a man by his mecha. You can't judge a sword by its sheath. And yeah, that was, sorry, it's a little quiet. There are other people in the house, but still. Yeah, it's pretty much all I've got to say for Stereotype Week. Check out my DeviantArt. Wow, I hate that. Send me a message on Formspring, leave a comment. Greatly appreciated. And yeah. That's pretty much all I gotta say. Oyasuminasai!